Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today we're gonna be making some Jamaican style strongbox punch. Stay tuned. I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. So guys, these are the ingredients that I'll be using for my punch. You know, the main ingredients in there. You know, some things are not shown, some are shown, but you know, I'll tell you everything as I go along. But yeah, basically this is what I'm gonna be using in my punch. Guys, in the middle of the video I realized I didn't put in no okra, but you know what, don't worry about it. So here in a pot I've got my pumpkin all diced up, I've got some potatoes in there, and I've got a carrot. Now I'm gonna put this to boil. Now I think I boiled this for about 15 minutes. Oops, yep, just added a pinch of salt. Now I boiled this for about 15 minutes, but make sure that it's cooked. Your pumpkin, especially your pumpkin and your potato, is cooked before you proceed. Now once it's boiled, I turned it off, left it to one side because we need this to cool down. Now I've just got about half a cup of cashew nuts in here, and I'm going to use some oats milk just to blend this together. Set that aside. Now once your stuff is cooled down, I'm just going to use some oats milk along with some of the water from the pot just to boiled no, not boiled, Shell, just to blend this up. Now I'm using my NutriBullet because I want this as smooth as possible. Now let's get mixing. Now I'm just gonna add all the ingredients in this pan and just gonna mix everything up. So what I did there, you know, just to loosen it out a bit, I just added a little bit more oats milk. Now I'm just gonna add in everything. So this I'm adding in my supplement, I'm gonna add my Irish moss, gonna add my nutriment or nourishment, hello. And I'm just gonna give this another mix. Now guys, it does appear to be thick, but you know, once you start adding everything in, it will just all come together. I'm adding in a bottle of Dragon Stout, and I'm just going to put in the blended cashew. Thank you so much for returning to my channel, guys. If you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Now I'm just going to sweeten this now with some condensed milk. You just sweeten it to how you like it. If you want to add a bit of sugar, you can. Now once I added in all my nutmeg and stuff, you know, I did put it back into the blender just to blend it out a bit because I don't like when I'm drinking juice and all the bits are in there. So I'm just adding in also my vanilla and my rose water and almond essence. Give it a good stir, stir, stir. Blend that baby out. Give it a taste. And for the last thing I'm going to add is the good old Onkorea. Hey, can't have it without Onkorea. Mix it all up. And as I said, guys, it is important to taste your punch. Taste it and adjust it accordingly. And all you need now is a bit of ice, your cup and your mouth, because all this water now, as my friend would say, is just mouth for drink it. Hey, listen, this punch will put something in your step. Listen, talk to me in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this punch. And guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget you can follow me on TikTok, Instagram and Facebook at Shellz Homestyle Kitchen. There it is, guys, my Jamaican style strong back punch for strong up your back. Hey, boy, choblago dede, say choblago dede. Thanks for watching, guys, and as I always say, to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit. Only you can limit yourself. Catch you in the next video.